3 kelakuan cewek mabuk di video ini dijamin bikin lu mikir 2 kali buat nyentuh minuman keras. Soalnya bukan cuma ngebahayain diri sendiri, tapi tingkahnya juga malu-maluin banget. Gua bawa lu dulu ke kasus cewek yang pertama. Kejadiannya terjadi di Lake Forest, Illinois, Amerika Serikat. Saat polisi mendatangi sebuah mobil yang terparkir mencurigakan di pinggir jalan sekitar jam 1 pagi. Buat memastikan pengemudinya baik-baik aja. Pas disamperin, cewek di dalam mobil ini diidentifikasi bernama Vanessa Castron, 23 tahun. Polisi awalnya cuma minta identitas dan ngecek kondisi Vanessa karena tercium bau alkohol yang lumayan menyengat. Tapi bukannya kooperatif, Vanessa malah mencoba ngerayu polisi dan ngasih gestur tangan yang ya bisa lu simpulkan sendiri lah maksudnya.
You look hot. Like I know, are you Tori's dad? No. Okay, I'm sorry. Do you have kids? Do you want to know how much I earn a year?
I honestly
You probably don't give a shit.
Because it doesn't affect me, Vanessa. If you earn a lot of money, more than me, good for you. I'm happy for you. I'm just doing an investigation, that's it.
An investigation?
Yeah.
Figure it out.
Karena petugas ngeliat matanya udah merah sayu dan yakin banget si Vanessa ini lagi mabuk berat, dia langsung disuruh tes kesadaran. Tapi karena dia nolak, akhirnya Vanessa langsung diangkut ke kantor polisi buat diproses. Nah, pas di kantor, dia sempat minta izin mau kencing. Tapi bukannya ke toilet dengan bener, yang dibuka justru bajunya.
Can I pee?
Have a seat and I'll let you use the bathroom in a little bit.
Or do you want me to pee myself?
Don't do that. Have a seat.
I already did.
Leave your shirt on, Vanessa. I'm gonna let you use the bathroom back there. The only reason I was closing this, Vanessa, is to give you privacy. That's it. I wasn't gonna close it all the way, just to give you another layer of privacy. That's all.
Okay.
I want to give you the respect that you deserve, and that to give you that privacy.
We can't contact.
Vanessa, put your shirt on, please. Vanessa, if you don't do that, I'm going to put you back on handcuffs on the bench, okay? I don't want to do that. I want you to use the bathroom and take care
It's
of
so
that.
hard. Oh my god, I wanna die. I'd rather you kill me right now. What the kill me.
Ceritanya belum selesai. Pas petugas lagi ngurus administrasi penangkapannya dan ngejelasin hak-hak hukumnya, Vanessa malah makin brutal sampai ngeludahin dan nendang petugas. Akhirnya polisi terpaksa masangin speed hood, semacam penutup kepala berbahan jaring supaya dia nggak bisa ngeludahin petugas lagi.
Oh my gosh.
Ya, beginilah kalau alkohol dan obat-obatan udah campur aduk. Cewek berusia 23 tahun ini harus berhadapan sama hukum dan kena beberapa dakwaan berat. Mulai dari nyetir pas mabuk, ngelawan petugas, sampai penganiayaan. Tapi dari hasil pengadilan, dia akhirnya ngaku bersalah atas kepemilikan obat-obatan terlarang yang ditemukan polisi saat penggeledahan. Hasilnya, dakwaan lainnya di-drop dan dia nggak dipenjara, melainkan diwajibkan masuk ke program rehabilitasi narkoba. Nah, kalau kasus kedua ini cuy, kelakuan absurd cewek mabuk datang dari remaja berumur 18 tahun. Kejadiannya sendiri terjadi di Crystal Lake, Illinois pada tanggal 6 Desember 2022. Awal mulanya, polisi nemuin mobil ini lagi parkir di depan minimarket setelah dapat laporan warga kalau mobil tersebut sempat oleng di jalanan. Pas diperiksa, polisi mengidentifikasi remaja ini bernama Eli Masukevich. Awalnya, polisi cuma nanya baik-baik apakah ada barang ilegal atau alkohol di mobilnya dan si Eli ngaku nggak ada. Tapi pas polisi bilang mau ngecek langsung isi mobilnya buat memastikan pengakuannya bener, si Eli bukannya nanggepin dengan kalem, dia malah teriak-teriak dan ngelawan petugas.
Is there anything illegal that you may have in the car?
No.
Okay, so you have no alcohol in the car?
No.
Okay, no cannabis, weed in the car. However, we have a little bit of a problem. Okay, so I'm going to give you an opportunity to be honest with me, okay? Because when you opened your door, I saw the bottle of vodka that's in your driver's side of your door.
I don't have any.
Okay.
You can't search my car without a warrant. No, you can't.
Turn around.
Please, I'm trying to walk to the car. I can't hear you.
Stop.
Ah!
Stop.
Ellie,
Stop.
let's not do that.
I
Stop
can't
it.
hear
Stop it.
I can't be in handcuffs! I can't be in handcuffs!
Stop, Ellie.
You're just making it worse for yourself. Ellie,
You
come
know
on.
how much... Take them off! Take them off!
Take a deep breath. Listen to me.
Cuma perkara mau dipasangin sabuk pengaman doang, si Ellie malah ngelonjak. Dia bilang baru mau pakai sabuk pengaman kalau borgolnya dilepasin dulu.
Please, please.
Chill. You have to chill out.
Please take off the handcuffs.
Okay.
Please.
Right now, I can't. You know why?
I'll sit here if you take off the handcuffs.
Okay.
If not, I'll run out.
Ellie, listen to me, okay? Because of everything that just happened, I need to ensure that you're safe.
He can buckle me up if you take off the handcuffs, please.
Sweetheart,
he can't buckle
sweetheart,
me
I
if not.
cannot.
He can't buckle me if not.
So listen, this is the deal. If you keep fighting like this, my sergeant's on his way here, and he has this device called the wrap, and it completely restrains you. If you can't calm yourself down the way we are now, I am gonna have to put you in that, and I don't want to do that. So we have to stop.
Lu denger sendiri kan, kalau dia masih ngelawan terus, Sersanya bakalan datang bawa alat yang namanya wrap buat nyikat tubuhnya supaya dia nggak bisa meronta lagi. Karena si Ellie ini kagak mau nurut dan tetap ngelawan, akhirnya petugas terpaksa masang wrap ke badannya biar dia kagak bisa ngereok lagi.
You can't touch me without consent! You can't touch me without consent!
Can you guys hold on to her?
I don't want men touching me without consent! Ah! Ah! Stop touching me!
Wrap her feet right
You like your old man! Stop! Ah! Stop fighting!
Bahkan waktu udah dimasukin ke ruangan penahanan sementara di kantor polisi, si Ellie tetap aja ngamuk-ngamuk, kagak ada kapoknya. Pas diuji tes tiup, kadar alkohol dalam darahnya nembus angka 0,318, hampir 4 kali lipat dari batas legal. Gara-gara kelakuannya ini, si Ellie akhirnya kena sederet dakwaan, mulai dari nyetir saat mabuk, ngelawan dan nyerang petugas, sampai kepemilikan alkohol di bawah umur.
My boyfriend's gonna kill me. He's gonna break up with me. My boyfriend's gonna break up with me!
Kalau kasus terakhir ini cuy, sebenarnya nggak ada adegan ngamuk-ngamuknya, tapi lebih ke perilaku absurd layaknya orang mabuk berat. Kejadiannya sendiri terjadi di Sarasota, Florida. Awalnya, polisi nemuin sebuah mobil yang berhenti mencurigakan di tengah jalan. Pas disamperin, cewek ini kelihatan teler berat. Nah, pas polisi nawarin buat tes kesadaran, cewek yang diketahui bernama Sophia Ross, 22 tahun ini, dia malah ngomong ngawur, bilang polisi nyuruh dia tes, tapi tanpa tes. Kocak banget cuy, lu lihat aja nih.
You're asking me to take a promo
To take a what?
without taking piss.
Taking a what?
Taking a test without taking a piss.
You're gonna participate in an
You're
exercise.
asking exactly.
But this
Listen,
exercise, you only have to stand there.
You were asking, babe. You were asking me, babe. You were asking me to take a test without a test.
That doesn't make much sense.
You are asking me to take a test without a test.
What do you mean by that?
You are telling me to take a test without a test.
I'm asking if you're willing to participate in an
Oh,
exercise.
You want me to participate?
Do I what?
You want me to participate in tests?
Do it if you're willing to. Yes.
Hey, Anna, do you want me to do what you want me to do, or do you want me to do what I want to do?
You can do
Because
whatever
I'll
you
bust
want.
out. I'll bust out. But I'll do what you want to do too.
If you're willing to participate in that.
I will participate.
Okay.
Petugas akhirnya ngajak Sofia ke trotoar seberang yang lebih rata biar aman pas ngelakuin tes kesadaran. Tapi cuy, si Sofia malah ngajak ciuman di tempat remang-remang sambil ngangkat bajunya ke atas.
We're gonna make out here.
Okay.
We're gonna
So-
make out here.
No, we're not. Here,
Turn off.
wait, stop right there.
Turn off the lights. We're gonna make
Wait,
out.
wait, wait. Stay right there. For me.
Oh, it's
Okay.
my bad. It's my bad.
All
I
right.
gotta pee, bro.
I know. I
I
have
gotta
to pee as well.
bro. I gotta pee.
Okay. Do you want to try this first exercise for me?
I will do anything for you, Daddy. God damn. I am
Hold on,
wearing
hold on.
contacts. Like, you see this? I am wearing contacts.
Sophia,
Do you see this?
put your shirt down?
I am wearing contacts.
Can you put your shirt down?
I am wearing contacts. I swear to God, I'm wearing contacts. I am a nerd.
I get
I am a nerd.
But
I am a nerd. Show it to the body cam. I am a nerd.
Karena Sofia terus nolak tes kesadaran dan polisi juga udah yakin kalau cewek ini emang mabuk parah, akhirnya dia langsung diborgol di tempat dan dibawa ke kantor polisi. Pas diuji tes tiup di kantor, kadar alkohol dalam darah si Sofia ini nembus angka 0,318 alias hampir 4 kali lipat dari batas legal. Gara-gara aksi mabuknya ini, si Sofia akhirnya resmi didakwa atas pelanggaran menyetir saat mabuk. Dan seperti biasa, kalau lu demen konten kayak gini, follow aja Dimensi Arsip. Tetap jaga diri, stay safe di jalan, dan sampai ketemu di video berikutnya. Bye!